see heavy voices through the thin walls. Tension building up and I feel so small. Some nights that hide under the pillows, 'cause I didn't know what else to do. I started singing just to get some attention, a melody to cut through the addiction. And every song I made turned into wishes, some of them came true. Everyone rises, everyone falls, everyone spends some nights alone. Rich or poor, I'm always yours, you never left me on my own. Tell me, who would I be without you? No matter how much we lose, every time I spend my life on you. We were never rich, not even thousands. Mom was on her knees cleaning houses. I used to go to work with her some days and dream and dance in the big hallways. Everyone's scared, everyone's scarred, everyone's spending some nights alone. But every high, every low, you never left me on my own. Tell me, who would I be without you? No matter how much we lose, every time I spend my life on you. Tell me, who would I be without you? Nothing I'd rather do. Every night I spend my life on you. Who would I be without you?